Everyone thinks the best-selling pop-up tent is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Some of these tents promise instant setup and all-weather protection, but real-world use tells a different tale. Let's break down which ones actually deliver. Product number 1, Night Cat Pop-Up Tent. First up, the Night Cat Pop-Up Camping Tent. This one caught my eye because it's built for 2 people but claims to fit up to 4 with kids, and honestly the space surprised me. At 9.5 by 6.6 feet, it's roomy enough for a queen air mattress and gear, which is perfect if you're camping with family. The 40% smaller pack size, thanks to the 4-circle folding system, is a real win for storage and transport. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of wrestling with tent poles at sunset, this thing pops up in seconds. The 190T polyester with PU 2000 coating and taped seams means it actually stays dry in heavy rain, no leaks, no panic. Plus, the 2 big doors and windows create solid airflow so you won't wake up in a swampy mess. It's also wind-resistant with 6 poles and guy lines, which helps when you're camping in open fields. Now, some people complained about the lack of a full rainfly or weak stitching near the zippers. Here's the thing though, this tent isn't built for extreme mountaineering. It's for casual campers who want speed and decent weather protection without breaking the bank. If you're weekend camping or heading to a festival, those flaws won't matter much. This is perfect for you if you want a quick, spacious tent for camping with kids or friends. Skip this one if you're backpacking long distances. It's a bit heavy at 6.6 pounds. For $126, it's a solid value for the space and ease. Product number 2, Mimager 2 3-Person Tent. Now, if Night Cat's bulk bothered you, the Mimager 2 3-Person Tent takes a completely different approach. This one's lighter, smarter, and packed with features you don't see every day. The automatic hydraulic system sets up in 60 seconds. No tools, no frustration. Just lift and it snaps into place. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The double-layer design with a detachable rainfly means you can use it as a full tent or just a sunshade. That's huge if you're at the beach or a picnic. The 210D flame-retardant fabric and fully taped seams give real waterproofing, and the fiberglass poles handle winds up to 35 mph. Plus, the interior is 84.7 by 70.9 inches. Plenty of room for 2 adults and a dog, or 3 people with gear. Now, some people complained about the rainfly not staying taut in heavy wind and the carry bag being a tight fit. Here's the thing though, this tent is designed for versatility, not extreme conditions. If you're camping in moderate weather or using it for festivals, those issues are minor. The bug-proof mesh and dual doors make ventilation excellent, and the compact pack size, under 30 inches, makes it easy to throw in the trunk. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-use tent that doubles as a sun shelter. Skip this one if you're hiking deep into the backcountry. It's not ultralight. At $100, it's one of the best values here. Product number 3, Revenlo 4-Person Pop-Up. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for families. The Revenlo 4-Person Pop-Up Tent. This thing is massive. At 9.5 by 6.6 feet and over 4 feet tall, it fits 4 people comfortably or 2 with tons of gear. The automatic setup is just as fast as the others. Unstrap, pop, done. You can lie back and watch the stars without leaving the tent, perfect for summer nights. The 190T polyester with PU 3000 coating means serious waterproofing, and the removable rainfly adds flexibility. 4 mesh windows and 2 doors create cross-ventilation that actually works, so condensation isn't an issue. Now, some people complained about the poles feeling flimsy and the zippers snagging. Here's the thing though, this tent is built for comfort, not rugged terrain. If you're camping in calm weather or your backyard, it holds up fine. The storage pockets and lantern hook are nice touches that keep things organized. This is perfect for you if you want a spacious, family-friendly tent with a cool skylight feature. Skip this one if you're expecting high winds or rough conditions. At $102, it's a great deal for the space and features. Product number 4, Happy Travel Instant Tent. Now, if Revenlo's size is overkill, the Happy Travel Instant Tent offers a more compact solution without sacrificing quality. This two-person dome tent sets up in under a minute with a simple hydraulic system. Just lift and click. It's lightweight at 7.3 pounds and packs down small, making it ideal for travel. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 210T taffeta with PU 3000 coating and 3-layer waterproofing means it handles rain better than most. The dual-layer doors let you choose between full privacy or maximum airflow, and the mesh keeps bugs out without trapping heat. It's also wind-stable thanks to strong fiberglass poles and a low dome shape. Now, some people complained about the floor not being thick enough and the tent feeling cramped for 2 adults with gear. Here's the thing though, this tent is best for solo travelers or couples who pack light. If you're backpacking or need a reliable weekend tent, it's more than capable. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, easy-to-carry tent for hiking or beach trips. Skip this one if you need space for gear or kids. At $90, it's the most affordable here and still delivers solid performance. Product number 5, Moon LENCE 3-4-person tent. Finally, the Moon LENCE Instant Pop-Up Tent. This one stands out because it's rated for 4 seasons, rare in pop-up designs. It pops up in under 60 seconds and offers 83 by 50 inches of floor space, comfortably fitting 3-4 people. The dome shape and sealed seams make it one of the most weather-resistant options here. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2000 waterproof coating, SBS zippers, and wind-resistant ropes mean it can handle rain, wind, and even light snow. The built-in storage pocket and partition let you organize gear or create private zones, great for families. It's also surprisingly compact when packed, fitting easily in a car trunk. Now, some people complained about the lack of a full rain fly and difficulty folding it back into the bag. Here's the thing though, this tent is built for durability, not speed of repacking. If you're camping in variable weather, the trade-off is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy, all-season pop-up tent for family adventures. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultralight or easy to repack quickly. At $126, it's pricey but justified for the build quality. So which one should you buy? If you want space and a skylight, go with Ravenlo. Need versatility? Mimager's 2-in-1 design wins. For families, Moon LENCE offers the best weather protection. Happy Travel is ideal for lightweight trips, and Nightcat gives you room without the hassle. Each has trade-offs, but all deliver on fast setup. Pick based on your needs and happy camping.